Let's take a moment to just review how to create a box plot. All right, so the first thing we want to do, we want to find the median. Now to find the median, we first have to put the numbers in order. So let's put them in order. We have 40, 41, 42, 45, 57, 66, and 67. So there are our numbers. Whoops, I messed up. 63, 66, and 67. So it's always important to double check your work, right? 66 and 67. Cross through all those. All right, once we've got all those numbers and we put them in order, we can find our median. Our median is our middle number. This time, we don't have an easy middle number because there are an even number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There isn't an easy middle. So to find the middle number, the median, we add the two middle numbers together and divide by 2. 57 plus 45 is equal to 102. Then we divide that by 2, and 102 divided by 2 is just 51. So my median is 51, and I'll write it like this so it just becomes easier to see. 51 right there. Once we've found the median, we want to find the median of the numbers on either side. Just like if I drew a line here, if I wanted to divide this up into 4 equal pieces, I would find the middle, and then I would divide this side and this side to get the 4 equal pieces that I want. Well, I found the middle. Now I want to divide this side into 4. Again, I don't have an easy median because it's an even number. I'll have to add 41 and 42. 41 plus 42 is 83. And as you can see, that's going to give me a decimal. So 83 divided by 2 is going to be 41.5. 41.5 is going to be 41.5 is my quartile 1. Quartile 1. Now, I also have to do that over here. 63 plus 66 gives me my, well, part of my quartile 3. That gives me 129. If I divide 129 by 2, I get 64.5. Divided by 2 gives me 64.5. Okay? So that's going to be my quartile 3. Quartile 3. Now that I have most of it, I just need to find my upper and lower extremes. The lower extreme is just the number farthest to the left. That's my lower extreme. And then the upper extreme is the number farthest to the right. That's my upper extreme. Now I'm ready to go. I can graph my box plot. So I take my median and I mark that one first. My median, as we said, is 51. So I'll plot 51 there. I also know that my quartile 1 is 41.5. So I'll put a little dot in between 41 and 42. I know that my quartile 3 is 64.5. So I'll put a little box between 64 and 65. And then I'll label those quartile 3, quartile 1, and then the median, also known as quartile 2. I've also been given my lower extreme, so that goes here. My lower extreme is 40. My upper extreme is 67. So 66, 67. I've got all my points graphed. Now all there is to do is to plot my box, is to put my box on here. So my box always goes between quartile 1 and quartile 3. Just like that. Quartile 1 and quartile 3. Now I can connect my quartile 3 to my upper extreme and connect my lower extreme to my first quartile, and that is my box plot.